So your parents?
My aunt.
Oh, your aunt's? Where's your aunt at?
On her way. She left, she's coming back.
Left, she's coming back? Cool. Do me a favor. Take a deep breath and blow into that, alright? Alright, do me a favor, try one more time. Deep breath, don't go so far in.
Is there a staring problem? Mind your business. Like,
563, we're 10-8.
Alright, where's your aunt at? You have her phone number?
What?
How old are you?
I know that didn't come up positive. I didn't take a drink of anything, so.
Alright. Alright, take a deep breath, keep blowing. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Alright, yo guys, even if it's your aunt, she is of age.
Is she of age?
Yeah, how old is she? Like 40?
No, it's man, this is moving.
Alright, go grab her real quick. We're going to have them pour that all out.
How are you going to let us go if we didn't even drink alcohol?
Well, where's your aunt at?
You're allowed to carry alcohol.
That's interesting.
You're underage. You are. You're not allowed to drink it, and we did not
Open
drink
display on the beach.
it. What?
It's possession consumption.
It's not open.
Open display means you.
What do you mean? That doesn't
You can
mean
see it,
anything.
yes.
Okay, you can see it, and we're not drinking.
5043. Come here with Hello Skellinger in the beach.
It.
502, you clear? Cool, what's your name?
Will you let me know for obstruction with my 18-month-old daughter over there?
Yeah, you're not cooperating. Yeah.
I didn't disrespect you. I didn't do anything to get written up, did I?
You called it a scene.
Now you're causing a scene. You want to? Alright, I'll give you one more chance to give me your last name.
Just be
You're not gonna lock me up.
Okay.
You can't lock me up. I didn't disrespect you.
Okay.
And you don't need to write my name down either because I didn't disrespect you. I didn't do anything to you. You're mad because you thought we were drinking.
Alright, I'll give you one. Okay. First of all, you're in possession. Where's your aunt at then?
She's on her way.
Okay, what's your last
You could
name?
wait here. That's like you wasted your time coming over here. You could wait here for her.
Okay, what's your last name?
You don't need my last name.
Okay, that's it. I'm done with you. Do you have cuffs on you?
No, man!
Get over here.
Don't touch me.
Yo.
Don't touch me.
Alright, you're about to get dropped.
Yo, don't touch me, man! Don't.
Get over here.
What are you doing? Don't touch me, man! My daughter.
You're done.
You dickhead, get the on my hair. Get off me. What are you doing?
5043, send me another unit. Skellinger in the beach. We got one resisting.
Relax.
No! I can't pull my hair. This is some. Get off of me! What are you doing? Man! They're choking me!
Skellinger in the beach. Can I get another unit?
They're choking me, man! Man, I cannot breathe!
I'm not choking.
Yes, the you are, you Get the off me, yo! I'm
That's
not
it.
resisting!
Get on. Back up! Back up! Get over here now!
You're not allowed to beat me like that!
Stop!
I'm a woman! It doesn't matter!
Put your hands behind your
It
back.
doesn't matter! You're not allowed to hit me like that and choke me! You're not allowed to hit me and choke me like that! You're not allowed to hit
Grab
me
her.
and choke me like that!
Handcuff her.
You're not allowed to hit me and choke me like that! My daughter is right there seeing this! I didn't do anything wrong! I'm not one of these little that's gonna let you choke. anyway. You white piece of trash.
Juliet Alpha, Charlie Oscar, Bravo.
Oh my God! I didn't do anything wrong. I wasn't drinking anything. Just smell it.
It wasn't even open, bro.
You just choked me off. I can't believe you did that. Get off of me. Ah!
One in custody.
Don't stare unless you're help. You need to get the off me, you the trash. Ew. Oh yeah, now we got these young cops who don't know how to treat people. I'm gonna talk to your captain as if he will give too.
Good, I hope you do.
Yeah, I will. Dirtball. No. Who are you?
I'm gonna be the one transferring you. Okay?
Yeah, will you?
I didn't arrest you. All right, so
I don't care.
back up.
Don't touch my father. That's my daughter. That's my daughter.